Hi, this is my cousin who's gonna teach how to whip flat on a scooter. So yeah, go,
Here goes.
go,
Right.
go.
So really all you got to do, Alfie, move it down a little bit so you can see. Yeah, it's about it. So all you basically got to do, to start off with a whip, if you want to learn how to whip flat, you want to if you're like teaching someone or you want to like train, like you just like put your foot down and whip it and like just jump, so like that, and then jump on. But I'll show you how I do my whip flats. And then I'll show you another one because that really didn't go well because I put my foot down. So, right, and then, so, all you got to do is jump. You need to learn how to bunny hop flat first, like that. And then all you got to do is really just kick your leg, like that. Just like practice by jumping and going like that. Just like kick it, just go, like practice going like that as well. And then you'll just get the gist of it, however. You'll just get the hang of it really, and then really, so basically, just like kick it, and then I'll move it down a bit again. Down a bit, yeah, that's it. Right, and then just get the gist of it, like going like this, and then, so yeah, basically that's it.